like your teeth. You have lovely teeth. It's blocked off. I wonder I couldn't find it. There it is. There it is. As we watched the sunrise over Lake Rotorua and took way too many photos, we noticed how much this lakeside pathway and children's park area had changed significantly. The beautification, that's still going on by the way, is so much better than what we had seen nearly 8 years ago when we were here last for Robert's 60th birthday celebrations. With all of the family too. Oh, except one who was in hospital after smashing his shoulder to pieces on a motocross mishap. Poor Caleb. Really? We have to come this way, Robert? Really? This is so different from when we were here last, huh? Wow. I've got words up there. They all say something, but I don't know what. It's all in Māori. Under the water. It's nifty. Sandflies. They like the car. Look at them all. It's mad. This was the only one that had words, I think, didn't it? There's another one of those paths. Are they beautiful? Rotorua's government gardens are just minutes from the lake's edge and from the city centre. And the bathhouse, which opened in 1908, represents the New Zealand government's first major investment in tourism. The building once provided treatment to thousands of people before it closed in 1966. Today, it's a museum, but it's currently closed for earthquake strengthening. These 1933 blue baths were the first of its kind to allow both men and women to bathe in the same pool. They were made for families to have fun in, rather than the medicinal spas elsewhere in the gardens, and to socialise, just like the Hollywood movie stars did. Rachel Spring. I like you, Mr. Soldier. Oh, that says Polynesian Spa over there, BG. Doesn't it? It welcomes you. Campervan. You got inside. Thanks to an arthritic priest called Father Mani, who was miraculously cured in 1878, national and international visitors have flocked here for more than 130 years. Why does he have to go sideways on that lawnmower? What's the reasoning? What's the words for that one? Oh, it's over there, I can see it. The Prince's Gate arches once spanned the intersection of Fenton and Ohinemutu Streets, but were moved here to the government gardens after a royal visit was over of the Duke and Duchess of Cornwall in 1901. Cool. Function scene. Fenton Street. St. Howard Morrison Centre. What does it do? I wonder. Howard Leslie Morrison, is that his name? Oh, February 23, you're right. Hey. Whoa, strange little house. Gardener's cottage. Waiting for me? We can play at the park? Something under the tree. Let's go and have a look. It's a phone game, Bobby. Pai Pai Hakumanu. Did I say it right? Look at this tree. It's adorable.
lovely.
Kuirau Park is a free stroll through natural geothermal activity with an easy walk from the city centre. People would use the pools to swim in as well as to cook in. Māori would only use the clear alkaline springs for cooking in, and evidence of seashells around the lake's edges date back to 1300 AD. Maori legend tells of a beautiful young woman named Kuirau who bathed in these waters when a taniwha, that's a mythical creature, dragged her to his lair below the lake. This angered the gods, who made the lake boil so the taniwha would be destroyed forever.
It's blocked off. I wonder I couldn't find it. There it is. Shut for ages. Look at that.
The Ohinemutu Maori Village is just 10 minutes walk from the city centre and is on the shores of Lake Rotorua.
Whakaturia dining room. It's a carving. He doesn't like his food. Aren't you supposed to put your face in it? It looks very tall. I don't know how people's faces can reach it. Oh, danger, keep clear. What? I think so. It's a deep hole, isn't it? She's bubbling. It's cool.
St. Faith's Church here at Ohinemutu Maori Village opened in 1914, and there's a picture on the window of Jesus wearing a Maori cloak walking over the surface of Lake Rotorua.
Your teeth. You have lovely teeth. I want them. Okay. To Tanakai Street, eh? Cool. Let's get to there. Soba. Look at that one. Holy smoked. It's okay. Thai, Indian, Mexican, probably. What do we mean? That's the Destiny Church in there. Boring, it's not a cathedral. That dog, FTP, what does it stand for? I want to know what FTP stands for. Oh no, there's an ambulance there too. How cool is that? We have come to Rotorua's night markets. Wow, it's up down the main street to Tenekai. And oh, look at that. Sushi, what? Oh no, there's some market things over there. Look. Wow, way popular spot, huh? Look at this. Better cook the veg.
We gotta slip away. Make it money. Oh yeah.
It's cute, isn't it, eh? To join in. Here we go. We got something from that night market. Rice noodles, tofu, veg. Can't see much tofu. Yeah. And we brought our dinner we bought to the lake's edge. So there's no way I was going to sit around that market and eat it. So there we are, on the lake.
But wait, be sure and come back soon to see more of our adventures here in Rotorua, where we get to explore more and just visit other places.